1. Understand hunger and ghrelin. In the world of intermittent fasting, understanding hunger is essential for successful fasting periods. Hunger is often misconceived as a linear reaction to the time elapsed since your last meal, but it's far more complex. It's governed by a hormone called ghrelin, which the body releases habitually at certain times, typically when you've conditioned it to expect food like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. What many people don't realize is that ghrelin's effects are not purely linear. When ghrelin is released and you don't eat, it doesn't keep increasing indefinitely. Instead, it rises, peaks, and then falls. If you resist the urge to eat during these peaks, hunger diminishes. Over time, ghrelin levels can even decrease as your body adapts to fasting. This means you can become less and less hungry when fasting regularly. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and continue this video by typing "I am healthy" in the comments below. 2. Add minerals to your diet. When you embark on an intermittent fasting journey, managing your mineral intake becomes crucial. Fasting, especially extended fasts, can cause your insulin levels to drop significantly. As insulin decreases, your body may start losing sodium, a mineral that insulin helps retain. In some cases, the body may even increase insulin production to maintain stable sodium levels. This shift in mineral balance can affect your overall well-being and contribute to feelings of hunger. To counteract this, it's essential to ensure you're getting an adequate supply of minerals, including sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Sodium, in particular, plays a pivotal role in regulating your body's fluid balance. When fasting, you may lose both sodium and water. Replenishing these minerals is vital to help control hunger and maintain proper hydration. 3. Stay hydrated with fluids. Hydration plays a crucial role in your success with intermittent fasting. Fasting, by nature, can lead to a reduction in insulin levels, which may cause your body to excrete more sodium and water. This loss of fluids can sometimes be mistaken for hunger. Therefore, it's essential to stay well hydrated during your fasting periods. Drinking an adequate amount of fluids serves two primary purposes. Firstly, it helps replenish the fluids you may lose while fasting, ensuring your body maintains its proper fluid balance. Secondly, consuming fluids can often help reduce feelings of hunger. There are instances when your body interprets thirst as hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking or eating. By regularly sipping on water or other hydrating beverages, you can alleviate these false hunger signals. Water should be your primary choice for hydration. It's calorie-free and doesn't interfere with fasting. Herbal teas, such as chamomile or peppermint tea, are also excellent options to keep your taste buds satisfied without breaking your fast. Green tea, with its potential metabolic benefits, can be another fasting-friendly choice. However, it's essential to be mindful of caffeine intake, as excessive caffeine can induce stress and raise cortisol levels. Congratulations, you've made it halfway through the video. The next half is packed with more valuable and exciting content. So let's dive into the rest of the video together, and please hit the like button if you found the video helpful. 4. Use bulletproof coffee. Bulletproof coffee is a tool you can incorporate into your intermittent fasting strategy, primarily if you're struggling with hunger during your fasting period. This concoction consists of coffee blended with grass-fed butter or ghee and sometimes includes coconut oil or MCT oil. The idea behind bulletproof coffee is to provide your body with a source of calories and satiety without causing a significant insulin response. While fasting, your insulin levels drop, which is a desirable outcome. Adding a small amount of pure fat to your coffee results in only a minimal and temporary spike in insulin, allowing you to maintain many fasting benefits. However, it's crucial to use bulletproof coffee judiciously. Fasting without any caloric intake is generally more effective in reducing insulin levels, which is one of the primary goals of intermittent fasting. So if you find yourself genuinely struggling to stay on track with your fasting regimen due to hunger, bulletproof coffee can be a useful tool to bridge the gap. But remember, it's best to use it sparingly and only when necessary, as fasting without added calories typically yields more substantial benefits. 5. Combine intermittent fasting with a low-carb diet. Combining intermittent fasting with a low-carb diet can be a powerful strategy to manage hunger effectively and optimize your fasting experience. Carbohydrates, especially refined sugars and grains, can act as potent appetite stimulants. They can trigger the brain's opioid receptors, leading to cravings and increased food intake. Additionally, carbs are generally less satiating, meaning you may feel hungry soon after consuming a carbohydrate-rich meal. When you follow a low-carb or ketogenic diet, you reduce your carbohydrate intake significantly, leading to fewer cravings and a more stable appetite. Meals rich in protein and healthy fats tend to be highly satiating, helping you stay satisfied for longer periods. There you have it, the 5 essential tips for conquering hunger and mastering the art of intermittent fasting. If you found this information helpful and insightful, don't forget to hit that like button to show your appreciation. Sharing is caring, so if you know someone who's on their own fasting journey or could benefit from these tips, be sure to share this video with them. For more valuable insights, tips, and guides on health and wellness, be sure to subscribe to our channel.